up at an angle?
Yeah, up at an angle. Hold on,
Good practice.
I guess I'm throwing it up and over.
Well, see, you're throwing it down too. Don't pull. Don't.
Your finger's right there on the propeller. You gotta throw it in the black.
Okay, right here.
Yeah, right there.
And don't throw it down towards.
You gotta throw it up.
Ready?
Yeah.
That ain't me there now.
Yeah, I was gonna say you know that.
That was a perfect throw. I just don't trust his flying skills. Look at the dog. Jack's hiding under the black one. Hell, the dog knows. Play does pretty good, don't it? Why are you slowing down? Oh, you got lucky.
I'm so good at flying.
You're right.
I am perfect. I am
crashing into the gator.
Over 4-channel. Battery's getting dead. I never did charge it.
Crap!
Scared me.
I thought you gonna want to let me catch it. I got it.
I gotta land it.
Well, don't land it in a cow.
Little people.
Go way down there. Bring it back here.
Come back around. Thought you were gonna come down the runway. Scared the cow.
Alright.
Pretty good.
Well,